So now I'm going to show you the room Tochi at Auberge Yusura in Ise-Mie Prefecture. You can see my other video to get more of a sense of the grounds, as well as Keyaki, which is the room, the highest end room by a hair. Now, the one thing about it is, up ahead at the end is the main building, which has the reception / lounge and the dining areas. And then you can see there's two villa style rooms. It's nice that the walls aren't shared. However, you can see this is the pathway to each of the rooms, and there's a little deck. So if you're walking past, at least in these two rooms, you know, you do have a chance to be seen when you're inside, especially with the lights on. So, you know, in terms of absolute privacy, there's potential that you won't have that. So in that case, and if you don't want to swing for the 80 square meter Keyaki room, which is beyond the main building at the far end, then your best choice is Tochi. Although, even then, there is a path that extends past it, where just a little bit beyond, where people do have access, at least people staying here, to explore the property grounds, as well as the salt lake, which I'm not sure if it's man-made or not. So, you probably don't want to be kind of unclothed with the curtains open, which is a bit of a drawback. So if that really means a lot to you, then you do want to stay at Keyaki at Auberge Yusura. So I'm alone this time, with the wife staying with her mother in Keyaki. And then we have other relatives staying in the other 3 rooms. So if you've already seen the Keyaki video, you'll notice similar type of layout. Each room slightly different in layout, although the design aesthetic is similar. So you kind of have a Western style sitting area, living room. Every room outside of Keyaki has a little deck, again with a pathway in front of it. And it's a combination of the Western living room, a bedroom or a room with the same room that has the beds. And then over here you have the washitsu, or Japanese style room with the tatami matted floors. So this is a common thing. Keyaki, each section is a slightly larger. And over here, you have closet. So you have Ryokan wear that you can wear. It's a 2-piece. It's not actually yukata, but it's a 2-piece, I guess, Ryokan wear that you can wear while you stay here, as well as in the dining room. And this is these are pajamas, and extra towels. And then for chilly days, they have a light and fluffy jacket that you can wear. And then over here is the mini bar. So it's complimentary. So they have a cider, beer, tea, and cold water. It's complimentary. If you run out and you need more, you can just call them up and they'll bring it over. So this is kind of the view of the living area. Okay, so we walk across this way. Is the toilet. Again, every aspect is slightly more compact than Keyaki. So this is representative of 4 of the 5 rooms. Single sink, which is also the case with the highest end Keyaki room as well. Shower. And a fill-it-yourself tub. At least you do have privacy in the hot springs bath. How do I open this? All right, here we go. You have a little rock garden and a sitting area. There's azaleas in the background, tsutsuji flowers. Beyond the fence, in a little bit of distance, there's a road, so you can hear cars. So actually, the lakeside is a lot more tranquil, but what they really should have done is had the pathway behind the room, where this is, the walkway, so that lakeside, there's no one that can walk in front of you, which would then add to a sense of privacy, peace, and serenity. So this is this hot springs. It is onsen, but it's not sourced on site. It's sourced from an area nearby called Sakakibara Onsen, which is the type of spring also. And they truck it in a couple times a week, and then they fill it in. So they fill it in a tank here, and then they slowly discharge it. It is recirculated and filtered. So is it the most authentic 100% hot springs? No, but it's still nice, and it's not just tap water, or not that you would be able to tell the difference. I'm not sure that I can, but for true connoisseurs, it might be a little bit not up to their standards. But if someone asks, is it onsen? Well, it is. But there's various degrees of authenticity to the onsen. So Tochi at Auberge Yusura luxury 5-room Ryokan, or Japanese style inn, in Ise, Mie Prefecture, which is in the Kii Peninsula, near Shima and Toba and other places. There's a lot to do. It's just that beyond Toba and Ise here, you're going to be driving quite a bit. The buses and public transportation is a little bit kind of iffy and arduous if you're going anywhere other than to and from Osaka or Nagoya. If you want to go further afield in the Kii Peninsula, the time and the convenience starts kind of plummeting. So you either want a rental car or you just stick to this local area. There's enough to do, but Shima is 45-minute drive away. Again, that's where Aman is, and the Ago Bay area, which is nice. And then the Kumado Kodo, the pilgrimage trail area, that's a little bit further away, as well as Koyasan. So, but anyways, this is an area where Japanese tend to at least come once in their life, if not more. And this is probably the highest end inn in the vicinity. Although there are several good ones as well, but this was. We're looking forward to it, especially for the food. Tochi at Auberge Yusura. Hope you enjoyed.